Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to take a first look at the Guardian leak prevention system. Now, the leak prevention system comes with a water leak detector. It will detect leaks on the top or on the bottom. Even has an extension cable if you have a hard to reach place to do your detection. Comes with a power adapter, of course, and the valve controller. And this valve controller is the secret to the system. You just basically clamp this on the water pipes over the top of your ball valve, and then if the leak detector detects a leak or detects water, it will automatically shut off your water. You can also buy additional leak detectors, and you can get an optional battery backup so that if the power goes out, the system will still shut off the water. This has been a first look of the Guardian leak prevention system, and we'll come back and do a full review. Thank you.